salamat po sa pagpunta dito, sa pagdalo dito. This is such a very memorable and emotional day, not only for me, but for all of us. Because now, we're bringing home the title Miss World Asia. And I just want to say that this is the fruition of all the love, the encouragement, the support, and the bayanihan spirit that you've shown to the entire world. And thank you so much. Let's give him a round of applause. Siya po ang isang tao talaga na sobrang sumuporta sa journey na ito. At kitang-kita po talaga namin kung gano'n niya po kamahal ang Pilipinas. Kaya natin nauwi ang title ng Miss World Asia is also because of him. So thank you so much, Sir Arnold.